For centuries, visitors have been coming to Catawba Falls to visit the lower falls that we love so well and the hard-to-reach upper falls. As more visitors started coming over the past decade, we've had more and more people try to make the treacherous trip to the upper falls, resulting in more rescues and more emergency personnel having to be on the ground. The project that we've been undertaking over the past 2 years really addresses those safety concerns while making the site more accessible and a better and longer experience for our visitors.
I think this project demonstrates the partnership that emergency services has with the U.S. Forest Service, and to see this project come to fruition, it means a lot for the safety enhancements for emergency personnel, because the most important thing is folks who are coming to visit and those who are coming to perform a rescue get to go home.
The safety component and the new vision for the falls will allow visitors to come and explore that maybe didn't have the opportunity to before. So I think that this will inspire people to explore our natural asset and support our local economy while they're here.
When folks come back to Catawba Falls this summer, they'll have a whole new set of experiences to enjoy. The path to the lower falls is much what people will remember, but once they get to the lower falls, there will be a structure that'll take them to the upper falls on a series of over 500 steps. The upper falls is a wonder, and folks can enjoy it, swim at the base of the falls, and then hike back to the parking lot on the new Ridge Trail, making a full 3.5-mile loop. We're excited to see you back in Old Fort and at Catawba Falls this summer. We know it's been a long closure, and we appreciate everyone's patience as we completed these important improvements.